Birmingham is the birthplace of the Industrial Revolution. It's a place bursting with energy and opportunities, a vibrant urban centre to forge a career and make a name in. As part of Millennium Point's commitment to growing science, technology, engineering and maths talent within the West Midlands, we are teaming up with Birmingham City University's Faculty of Computing, Engineering and the Built Environment to offer an incredible free undergraduate STEM degree to one lucky winner.
We see this as a way of making sure that young people, talented people, are actually being able to fulfil their dreams. There's not many opportunities out there where people can have all of their tuition fees paid. It also allows them to develop new skills, gain some confidence, meet lots of new people and also, I guess importantly, interact with some reputable STEM-related businesses.
The calibre of students is incredibly high this year. They had the highest number of students apply.
I'm really excited to be on the judging panel. Can't wait to see what talent there is and what everyone can come up with.
To be able to sit down with 6 incredibly talented, shortlisted students is just awesome.
The competition is structured as a 2-stage process.
In the practical challenge, I'm hoping to see just enthusiasm, passion about what they're doing, great teamwork and just enjoying themselves really.
We had to build a device that would harness the power of a hairdryer.
And it must be able to lift a cup with weights.
We were given cups, we were given string, we were given tape.
It was all about thinking outside the box for us.
We made a wind turbine using the cups, sellotapes and sticks to lift the pennies up.
It's about seeing them work as a team, seeing what they can produce in an hour, present at the end, and we saw diagrams, pictures, 2 or 3 solutions.
I found the challenge really fun and interesting.
In a high-stress situation, to see them still working as a team, to see them still coming up with solutions that I hadn't even thought of is absolutely amazing. I'm blown away.
The second half of the competition, the candidates research some ideas on how they feel they can support the region, and then they present those ideas to a live audience and panel of judges.
The live final was a huge success, with each of our finalists delivering thought-provoking presentations, addressing some of the most pressing issues in the West Midlands. The judges had a tough decision, but in the end, it was Ryan Dowell who was the happy recipient of the 2018 Millennium Point Scholarship. He'll be studying civil engineering at Birmingham City University.
I enjoy the idea of building a big structure that will stand for years. I helped sort of shape the world really.
Want to be involved in next year's scholarship? Visit millenniumpoint.org.uk/scholarship.